All right, so we've got an awesome string skipping exercise here, and almost more importantly than the actual string skipping aspect to the exercise is knowing, why we're playing the notes we're playing basically. And we can just jump right in. I am going to show you the full exercise, playing it through myself in its entirety, but I just want to jump in and get you familiar with exactly what we're doing. And then of course, as we piece it together, it'll make more sense when you see the exercise again in its entirety. So we're in the key of A major here, and we're starting on the low E on the 5th fret, right? So the A note. Excuse me, let me turn on my guitar. So we're starting on the low E, 5th fret, and then we're skipping strings to the 2nd fret on the D string, and then 2nd fret on the B string. All right, and what you should be recognizing here is that it's basically our G shape, that open G shape, one of the first chords that we learn when we're learning guitar. It's just that G shape moved up, all right, 2 frets, and what's 2 frets above G? A. So we're basically playing an A major arpeggio, and we're just skipping strings. Now, being able to skip strings accurately is extremely important, but again, you need to recognize what's going on underneath your fingers. You're in the key of A major, and just remind yourself of that as you're playing through, so that if you move it up 2 frets, you'll know I'm in the key of B major, and that might come in handy in a lead guitar situation, or a rhythm guitar situation. But getting familiar with the notes in the key of A major will be helpful in many scenarios. So anyways, we're skipping strings there. We're going up to the 5th fret on the B string. And that's basically like a connector note, right? Obviously we don't skip strings to get there, but it's better, melodically speaking. And then we go to the high E on the 5th fret, and then the G string, the 6th fret of the G string, and then the 7th fret of the A string. And you should be looking at that as an extension of our open E major chord. And again, each one of these shapes has its own purpose and function depending on your personal preference and style, but you can take these notes in a lot of places, even if the exercise feels a little dry. As long as you understand what's going on, it can end up helping you down the line. So anyways, then we move up into what you can look at as the that classic open D shape. And again, we're gonna have tabs for this. So again, I'm gonna play through it. You're gonna watch me play through the exercise, and then I will flash the tabs. So think of that as the open D shape, and in a way, it connects to the open C shape. Those are just in different keys, but if you move the open C shape up, it would connect to the open D shape. So those are the notes we're playing. And again, we're just skipping strings. You'll see in just a moment. I'll try to wrap up quickly just so you can get to the exercise in its entirety. And then we basically move up. When you see the notes up here, right? Just making sure you can all see this. When you get up to the 12th to 14th fret, just remember, it's an an octave of the open A shape. There's some really fun stuff you can do with these shapes. So we go up there, and then we connect back to that G shape. So anyways, this is a really good one. You know, definitely save this, you know, use these exercises as needed. If this feels like a good one to get you going before your session, definitely, you know, hang on to this. And like I said, we're going to go through the exercise now. You'll see me play it through in its entirety, and then I'll flash the tabs. And you know, I always suggest that you pause the screen when the tabs show up, so you can take a screenshot and, you know, hang on to this for whenever you want to use it. And that's it. Have fun with this, and we'll see you next time. For now, take it easy. And of course, I should say, if you did find this helpful, of course, we always appreciate it if you give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Anyways, with that, take it easy. We'll see you next time.